Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Tuesday, October 9th. The stock markets were quiet yesterday with the Columbus Day bank holiday. Stocks lost ground with the E-mini S&P down 5 at 1450 on Monday. Highs Friday at 1466 and the September 14th peak at 1468 remain on the upside with support at 1425 from the August highs. Dow futures lost over 1/3%, down 24 to close at 13,512, with new contract highs at 13,599 from Friday to keep an eye on above. Continued losses in Apple dragged the E-mini Nasdaq down to 2780. The nearly 1% loss of 24 points was mainly driven by continued profit-taking sales in the stock market bellwether. Prices stalled at 2840 on Friday with last week's lows at 2770, then support at 2762 from last month's lows on September 26th. Crude oil lost 30 cents to close at 89.58. This is a second session below the $90 pivot. 2-month lows were made last Wednesday at 87.80 to act as support with $93 resistance up above to keep an eye on for trend clues. Long bonds bounced almost 3/4 of a full point to above 148 after 2 consecutive sessions last week with more than one full point loss. The euro lost ground, down 60 points, down 0.5% to 129.80, with the US dollar little change at 79.65 at Monday's close. Gold was down $5 to close at 17.76, with new 7-month highs made Friday at 17.98. Silver lost 56 cents but maintained support to close at 34.01 at Monday's session's end. Where do the markets stand for this Tuesday morning after that quiet action on Monday to start off the trading week? Well, right now, the euro currency overnight is down another 37 points to 129.47. The dollar reaction's been muted, a little bit of a bounce here to 79.80. The overnight high has been 79.95, so holding below that 80 level. Crude oil is up 87 cents and 90.15. 2-month lows last week below 88 will be watched closely to find trend clues and see if we can find a bottom in this crude market. Gold is steady off $1, 17.75. 1800 remains this key resistance that's been holding back the market for a year. And after 2 consecutive sessions of silver down 50 cents or more, right now we're down 7 cents at 33.95 to start off the morning. So as we get started on this Tuesday morning, the E-mini S&P is unchanged at 1450. We're watching the highs of yesterday at 1457 and the lows at 1447 for additional clues. Dow futures are unchanged right now with the Nasdaq futures down 3 with an hour to go before the stock market opens here in the United States. To wrap up this action in the morning on Tuesday, right now we've got the euro currency down 37 points, crude is up 87 cents higher and above the $90 level. Gold is $1 lower at 17.75 and stock futures are steady with the E-mini S&P unchanged at 1450. Dow futures at the CME Group are unchanged at the 13,500 level. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I'll see you early Wednesday morning for the Stir in the Markets to set up your trading day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.